Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel DAV Maths with Shivani. Let's make math simple and fun together. So today here we are doing chapter 1 square and square roots worksheet 5 and it's question number 5 first part. We are doing today the question number 5 first part and question number 6. Question number 5 rest of the parts we are not doing here because all our parts are similar to this first one. So let's begin. Our question number 5 is estimate the value of the following to the nearest to our decimal place. First part under root 90. In this question we have to estimate the square root of 90. So we can solve this question by the estimation method but not by the long division method. So here I write here answer. Here the perfect square nearer to 90 are 81 and 100. That is, here I write 81 less than 90 less than 100. We can also write here 81 as 9 ka square less than 90 less than 100. We can write as 10 ka square. So here the number lies between 9 and 10. So here the number lies between 9 and 10. If in decimal if we see number, then next to 9 is 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, 9.4, 9.5 and so on. I write here 9.1 into 9.1 is equal to 82.81. 9.2 multiplied by 9.2 is equal to 84.64. 84.64. 9.3 multiplied by 9.3 is equal to 86.49. 86.49. 9.4 multiplied by 9.4 is equal to 88.36. 88.36 and 9.5 multiplied by 9.5 is equal to 90.25. 90.25. In this question, we have to estimate the value of this under root 90 to the nearest to one decimal place. Here, 90.25 is very closer to 90. This 90.25 is very closer to 90. Here we have to find the nearest. So here 90.25 is nearest to 90. So here I write here under root 90 is equal to approximately this answer 9.5. 9.5 because here 90.25 is very nearest to 90. So here 9.5 is the square root of under root 90. This is the answer of this question. It have many parts but we can do only the first part. All parts are same to this first part. Now our question number 6 is Devika has a square piece of a cloth of area 9 meters square and she wants to make 16 square shaped scarves of equal size out of it. What should possibly be the length of the side of the scarf that can be made of this piece? In this question, Devika wants to make scarf 16. In this question, we also find out the side of the scarf. Given here, the total cloth area is equal to 9 meter ka square. So, we write here area given. Area of total cloth. From here, we write area of total cloth. TOTL, total cloth is equal to given 9 meter ka square. Now, she wants to make 16 square shaped scarves. Now, I write here Devika wants to make scarves. SCARVES is equal to 16. Is equal to 16. Now we find out the area. Area of one scarf. Area of one scarf is equal to 9. 9 upon 16 meter ka square. Now area of square. 16 square scarves of equal size. So area of square. A square which have equal size. Area of square is equal to 9 upon 16 मीटर का स्क्वायर. We know that area of square is equal to side multiply by side is equal to 9 upon 16 मीटर का स्क्वायर. Now we can also write as side multiply by side is equal to side का स्क्वायर. Side का स्क्वायर is equal to 9 upon 16. Then we remove the square from this side. I write here side is equal to under root 9 upon 16. We can also write under root 9 as under root 3 multiply by 3 upon 16 as 4 multiply by 4. Then from this form a pair, this also form a pair. So we can write only one number from upper and one number from lower. So I write here 3 upon 4 meter is our answer. So here this side is equal to 3 upon 4 meter. This is our answer. That's all in today's video.